So now after running the debugger and the associate that or HRs that my application written sends the 5001 as you can see in this picture. Then let me show you the script one more time and let's see what we are going to have and what will happen. So this sends a GCP and the IP of the vector and the support, which is the port is 4321 and the final name was the .spk. So there is a folder that have a small script that was from the internet which I am showing you. But if you went to the main comment, you will be able to understand and modify onto it. So let me tell you what exactly the script is doing. As you can see the hash here, you can fix the script and this can be used for any kind of buffer and the buffer overflow specialist that talking about. So here we can see buffer and we are going to put the same black slash, then the clash exporting and then close it by multiply by 5000. So what exactly is this? Comment is doing this for creating a variable by the name of buffer. So because it creates 5000 ARX41 and it's a letter in the hexadecimal, so it creates a letter 5000 and it's sent to the vector member and the vector will be crashed if you receive 5000. So this is exactly the script is doing. So you need to just create here and change the right IP and once then the right port 321 and you remove that and the hash function and this will be like the workflow, but this will not be executed only in the test, but it will be executed in the PUI and it will be sent to the buffer. And let's see after using this the system crash or not. So as you can see in this picture, it crashed. So it crashed the application and the process. So as you can see, it crashed. So when it crashed, it seems like the application is not reachable anymore when at this state. So this is actually means that big amount has been crashed. So inside the memory there is only once the right side and check the different values. So the EIP which is this value and EIP usually contains 4 characters. It's a very important. There is actually one core subject about this and EIP here they are overwritten with those, as you can see, 414141 and they replace with those by 4141 which is a. So the first value that we are checking inside this EIP and EIP is it's an location inside memory that holds 4 characters and it usually holds the first 4 characters that any problem and that need to be executed. So whatever you can put here, if you can put the first 4 character from any application, that means it will be executed. So this means it's very important if I send the application and if I able to adjust the 4th character and the application, so to be inside the EIP it would be executed. So the first value that we focus about the EIP is the second value and which is the ESP, and the ESP is a pointer that point the remaining of the code. So if you check here in this picture, the ESP has been overrated by the A as well. So at this point most important part is the memory and it's a location called EIP and it's a pointer called ESP. and if you buffer overflow, and it will be able to overwrite itself, and that means that you can control the memory and you can send them and also you can payload with any malicious code. And if you adjust them to be sent to this location in a specific way, it will execute what exactly you are going to request. So, and this would be the, I guess, next fit, and you are going to see how to remove this and put the specific route and adjust that, and finally it would be executed.